Assalamualaikum. Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you are doing good. Okay, welcome in our math class. Today we are going to learn in our math class greater numbers. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn greater numbers. Okay, what are the greater numbers? You can say greater numbers, big numbers. What you can say greater numbers? Big numbers. Greater numbers or big numbers. Okay, shall we start? Okay. Here I write some numbers. As you can see on the board, I write some numbers. Which number is this? Number 1. Which number is this? Number 2. Which number is this? 3, 4, 5, 6. So, okay, I write 1 to 6 numbers. So, how we can know the greater numbers? After numbers called the greater number. Okay, 1. What comes after 1? 2. So, 2 is come after 1. So, it means 2 is the greater number or a big number than 1. 1 is the small number and 2 is the greater number because 2 is come after 1. After numbers called greater numbers. Okay, now let's see what comes after 2. It's 3. Number 3. So now 3 is the greater number. 3 is the greater number. Okay, now I'll show you. I have 2 color pencils, yellow and 1 in pink. So which is the more one? 2 is more. So it means 2 is greater than 1. 2 is greater than 1. So more you can say called a greater numbers. Similarly, 4. What comes after 3? 4. So now 4 is greater than 3. 4 is greater than 3. Okay, now what comes after 4? It's 5. Number 5. So 5 is greater than 4. So 5 number is greater than 4. 4 now is small one, then 5. Okay, now 5 is the greater one. What comes after 5? It's number 6. Number 6. So now 6 is greater than 5. 6 is greater than 5 because 6 comes after 5. Okay, now here are some T numbers. No? Number 15. 15. So 6 is a small number and 15 is greater than 6. Okay, now what comes after 15? It's 16. Number 16. So it means 16 is greater than number 15. Similarly, what comes after 16? 17. So 17 is greater than 16. 17 is greater than 16. Okay, what comes after 17? It's 18. 18. And 18 is greater than number 17. Okay, now what comes after 18? It's 19. And 19 is greater than 18. Similarly, we have number 20 and 20 is greater than 19. Okay, student, after numbers called, it's a big number or a greater number because it's more than in a numbers. Okay, now let's see few examples so you can understand easily the concept of greater number. So let's see an example. Now let's learn greater number through an examples. Okay, as you can see, I have different objects over here and numbers as well. So first I have flowers. What we have? Flowers. So first I have 2 flowers. Let's count. 1, 2. How many flowers? 1, 2. On the other side, I have more flowers. So let's count first how many flowers I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 flowers. One side I have 2 flowers. On the other side I have 4 flowers. So can you tell me which number is greater number? 2 or a 4? Can you tell me? Hurry up. Yes, number 4 is greater number because 4 is more than 2. Okay, because 2 flowers. Okay, now here I have 4 flowers, so it means 4 is greater than 2. 4 is greater than 2 because in quantity 2 is less quantity and the 4 is more quantity. So it means 4 is greater number. So now let's see another object. I have kite over here. Here you can see in the first row I have 3 kites. Let's count 1, 2, 3. How many kites I have? 3 kites. On the other side I have 5 kites. How many kites? 5 kites. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kites. Okay, now tell me which number is greater, 3 or a 5? Okay, tell me, hurry up. 3 or a 5 is greater number. Which number is greater one? Yes, good. 5 is greater number because 3 is less because there is a 3 only and I have 5 over here. It means it's a more kite over here. It means 5 is the greater number because we have more quantity of kites over here. So it means 5 is greater than 3. So 5 is the greater number over here. Okay, now let's see. I have here pineapples. What I have? Pineapples. In the first side I have 1 pineapple. How many pineapple I have? 1 pineapple. And the other side I have 6 pineapple. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many pineapples I have? 6 pineapples. And it's very easy to know that which number is the greater one, 1 or a 6? Yes, 6. 6 is the greater number because here the quantity of pineapple is more than 1. So it means 6 is the greater number. 6 is the greater number. Okay, student, hope you have understood the concept of the greater number or a big number, because if we have the quantity of more, like I have the pineapple 1 in the first row and in the second row I have a 6 pineapple, so it means it's a greater number. So you have to practice at home through different objects and learn the greater number concept as well. Okay, goodbye.